priest, politician और businessman. इन तीन का कोई भरोसा नहीं. वैसे तो भरोसा किसी का नहीं. If you have seen that movie Jungle, Fardeen Khan and Urmila Matondkar, they are running away from dacoits. They climb up a tree. Fardeen Khan and Urmila Matondkar. A tiger comes and sits below that tree. After some time he goes. That was a message in that movie कि even animals can leave you once, but human being, जब तक इंसान के पास मन है उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं. Till human being is dominated by mind, you cannot have faith on mind. ये बात ही गलत है कि हमने तुम पर भरोसा किया. ये बात ही गलत है. और इंसान जब भरोसे के काबिल हो जाता है ना, तो उसकी पहली मुलाकात ईश्वर से होती है. ये तो छोटे मोटे इथिकल लोग हैं, मॉरल छोटे मोटे लेवल. हम 7 बजे कहे थे, 7 बजे आ गए. तुम चोर हो बेसिकली. क्यों आए 7 बजे? There was a very big philosopher, Kant, in Germany, Immanuel Kant. कभी तुम्हें मौका मिले उसकी फिलॉसफी जरूर पढ़ना, Immanuel Kant. And whenever you get the selection, all of you, please read the philosophies. Indian philosophy, Western philosophy, Shankaracharya, Ramanuj, Buddha, Mahavira, Sankhya and all. At least philosophy is a subject which makes you think. It's a very good subject. Psychology is a subject which entertains you. Political science, all subjects, all. You cannot say that any subject is bad in this world. No. Every subject had its own orientation. Priest, politician and businessman. You cannot rely. Khalsa Diwan Society, the main ally of Gadarites, became informer of the government. All the major leaders were immediately caught, many of them hanged. And second, Lala Hardayal. At this point of time, leaves the movement. Lala Hardayal at this point of time leaves the movement, leaves. तो साइकिल यात्रा मैंने की, उसके पीछे 2 रीजन था. पहला रीजन, there were 2 reasons for that cycle satyagraha which I have done. First reason, that girl from Darbhanga, who took her father on bicycle from Gurgaon to Darbhanga. 15-year-old girl. Indian government should have given immediately some good job to her. I don't think if any big politician would have gone to meet her. But one day I will meet that girl. I will meet, and from my institution, from my organization, I will give her the help as much as I can, because that lady has played a very important role in my life. She became an inspiration for me. कि 15 साल की लड़की और वो भी फादर को बिठा के. If she ever prepares for UPSC, she can take admission in any of the Institute of India. I will pay the fees. If ever she prepares for UPSC, पिछले साल वो 15 साल की थी, तो अभी 21 साल होने में 6 साल बचा हुआ उसके. I will contact her. Within some period of time, I will contact her. and I will give some support, not help. These type of fighters, they don't require help from anyone. शारीरिक जो विकलांगता है ना, उसको ओवरकम किया जा सकता है, पर मानसिक विकलांगता हमसे नहीं होगा, हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम बहुत परेशान हैं, हम सोच नहीं पा रहे हम क्या करें, तब काहे जिंदा हो? और अगर जिंदा हो तो सपना क्यों देखते हो? एक पानी पूरी की दुकान खोल लो, 500 रुपया 600 रुपया शाम को कमा लोगे आराम से, क्यों मरे जा रहे हो? All the shops in this country will be closed, but pani puri, during lockdown the only stall vendors which were active, pani puri. कौन बोला है यार सपना देखने के लिए? Who has said to have big dreams? कल मैं सानिका का वो देख रहा था व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस, बड़ी अच्छी लाइन लिखी है उसने. When Siddhartha left the palace, he became Buddha. Sanika, good morning. You are present. सबको छोड़ना पड़ेगा सर, महल सबको छोड़ना पड़ेगा, उसका कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. That was the first reason I went out for cycle satyagraha in the peak time of corona. Second was, one of my friend, he called me and he said, you are speaking such big things on live sessions of Facebook, but Awadh Oja, you are like Lala Hardehal. Whenever the time will come to fight, you will also escape. And that was the second point which instigated me. You are correct. He said to me in a very positive way, he said, do something practically so that whatever you are doing should be corroborated. No, if you can talk, you can perform also. He was the leader. Just imagine Sirajud-Dowla running away from the battlefield. What the soldiers will do? But then the Punjabis did not surrender.